Hello students, welcome back to my channel MS Biology Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about what are the plant hormones. Plant hormones are also called as phytohormones. Plant hormones are small organic compounds synthesized by specific plant cells or tissue. It active in very low concentration and promote or inhibit growth and developmental process. Plant hormones are able to exert their action locally or at a distance. Plant hormones control all the aspects of plant growth and development from embryogenesis, regulation of organ size, pathogen defense, stress tolerance and through to reproductive development. So it's promote and influence the plant growth, development and differentiations of cells and tissue. In short, plant hormones are phytohormones which are small organic compounds and it active in very low concentration and play an important role for plant growth and development. Based on function or chemical structure, there are the 5 major phytohormones. First one auxin, second one gibberellin, third one cytokinin, fourth one abscisic acid or ABA, and fifth one ethylene. And some other plant hormones including brasinosteroids, polyamines, strigolactones, jasmonic acid or jasmonate, and salicylic acid. Based on their action and function, plant hormones can be classified in two different categories. First one plant growth regulators and second one plant growth inhibitors. First of all, what is plant growth regulators? Plant growth regulators promote cell division, cell enlargement, flowering, fruiting and seeds formations. For example, auxins, gibberellin and cytokinin. Then plant growth inhibitors which inhibit the plant growth and promote the plant dormancy, senescence and absciscence. For example, abscisic acid or ABA, ethylene, brasinosteroids, strigolactones and jasmonic acid. These are the precursor molecule for plant hormones. Precursor molecule is a molecule play role in plant hormone biosynthesis pathway. First of all, tryptophan, which is a type of amino acid, act as a precursor molecule for auxin. Then methionine. Methionine is a type of amino acid which act as a precursor molecule for ethylene. Then IPP, isopentenyl diphosphate, which act as a precursor molecule for different hormones which are cytokinins, gibberellins, strigolactones, brasinosteroids and abscisic acid. Then alpha-linolenic acid which act as a precursor molecule for jasmonic acid. So these are the important for the plant hormones biosynthesis pathway. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel MS Biology Tutorials. Thank you.